Ragnarök, often referred to as the Twilight of the Gods, is a monumental event in Norse mythology, depicting the cataclysmic end of the world where gods, giants, and monsters engage in an epic battle that reshapes the cosmos. This ancient narrative encompasses profound themes of chaos, destruction, and renewal, reflecting the Norse people's understanding of fate and the cyclical nature of existence. The dark and foreboding transition into Ragnarök is heralded by Fimbulwinter, a protracted winter lasting for 3 years. This relentless winter brings with it unyielding cold, hunger, and despair, casting a shadow over the realms. It serves as both a precursor and a harbinger of the chaos to come. Fimbulwinter symbolizes the breakdown of the natural order, as the harsh conditions test the resilience of both humans and gods. With society in disarray, brother turns against brother, illustrating the themes of conflict and loss of harmony that will culminate in the events of Ragnarok. As the world grapples with the consequences of Fimbulwinter, chaos breaks loose. The monstrous creatures that have long been imprisoned or kept at bay are unleashed, leading to widespread panic and destruction. Among them, the wolf Fenrir, destined to consume Odin during the final battle, and the Midgard serpent, also known as Jörmungandr, rise from the depths of the ocean. The breaking of these formidable foes from their bonds signifies the collapse of the cosmic order, with natural and supernatural chaos intertwining. This unleashing of chaos serves as a poignant reminder of the complex relationship between order and chaos in Norse mythology. It demonstrates that in every cycle of creation, there exists the potential for destruction, an acknowledgement of the duality that defines existence. With chaos reigning and the forces of darkness unleashed, the stage is set for the final battle. In this climactic conflict, gods, giants, and monsters clash in a cataclysmic and world-ending confrontation. The valiant warriors from Valhalla, led by Odin, stand against the gigantesque forces of the giants and the monsters that challenge their reign. The battle is fierce and filled with epic moments as gods like Thor, Loki, and Frey fight valiantly to protect their realms. Yet, despite their courage and strength, the tide of battle is grim. Many of the gods meet their fates, illustrating the inevitability of death and the tragic heroism inherent in their roles. This final confrontation encapsulates the Norse warrior ethos, where honor in battle is paramount, even in the face of existential doom. As the dust settles after the epic clash, the world meets its end. A profound cataclysm occurs. The earth is submerged in water, wiping clean the slate of existence. Most of the gods perish in this cataclysm, marking the culmination of their struggles against chaos and the eventual fate that awaits all being. The imagery of a world engulfed by water evokes themes of cleansing and transformation, reminding us that an end often paves the way for new beginnings. The once vibrant realms are left in silence, a stark representation of the transient nature of power and existence. Yet, from the ashes of destruction arises the concept of rebirth. Following this devastating end, a new world emerges, renewed and transformed. The cyclical nature of existence is illustrated as the earth rises again, fertile and lush, ready to be populated once more. The surviving children of the gods, such as Vidar, Odin's son, and Vali, are destined to inherit this new world, signifying hope and continuity after the chaos of Ragnarök. In this renewed realm, humanity is given a second chance. The surviving human couple, Leif and Lithrasir, represent the resilience of life, and from their lineage, the new generations will flourish. This rebirth emphasizes the Norse belief that even amidst destruction, the potential for renewal and growth endures, a powerful testament to the cyclical nature of life. Ragnarök stands as a profound narrative within Norse mythology, rich with symbolic themes of chaos, death, and rebirth. The events that unfold, from Fimbulwinter to the final battle, and the subsequent regeneration of the world, serve as a reflection of the human experience, revealing the inevitability of change and the complexities of existence. Through the devastation brought by Ragnarök, the Norse worldview embraces the tension between ends and beginnings, destruction and renewal. As we contemplate these themes, we are reminded of the resilience of life, the importance of honoring our legacies, and the promise of hoping for new beginnings, even in the face of chaos. The tale of Ragnarök reverberates through time, inviting us to reflect on our paths, our choices, and our roles in the ever-evolving narrative of existence.